Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we will cook Brussels sprouts with bacon. For the ingredients, we will need garlic, onion, butter or olive oil, Brussels sprouts, bacon, white pepper powder, and salt. First, slice the bacon into squares. Then leave the bacon in the pan to sear. Next, cut the Brussels sprouts into two. Remember to remove the outer leaves and cut the ends. Get a medium-sized onion. Peel and chop. Get some garlic, then peel and chop. Set aside. By now, the bacon has released its own fat. Continue to fry the bacon. If you prefer your bacon not crispy, do not cook too long. Remove from pan. I prefer mine crispy, so I left it on one side of the pan. Next, melt some butter or use olive oil. When hot enough, add the chopped garlic. Follow with the onion and sauté together. When onion has already softened, add the Brussels sprouts. Stir fry. After stir-frying the Brussels sprouts, mix together with the bacon. Cover for a few minutes. Next, add some pepper. Okay. Stir fry and taste. Season with salt and stir fry. Remove from heat and serve hot. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and share. See you again on my next recipe episode.